Now that you know what to post and how often to post and how content actually turns into real jobs, there's one final piece to this puzzle. Where should you post? And this is where a lot of restoration companies lose focus. They feel like they need to be everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google. Yes, I know your kid is on Snapchat every day and your office manager's daughter got 100 followers on TikTok just last week. But if you try to be all things to all people and be on every platform that you can think of, before long, either nothing gets done well or nothing gets done at all because you'll be burned out. Now here's the truth. You don't need every platform. You need the right platform. And honestly, you could pick any platform and commit to learn it, and I promise you, there's enough of your target audience on that platform to make a big difference to your business. But for most water and fire restoration companies, there are 3 places that will get you more business more easily. The first is Google. This is where high-intent searches happen. People type things like water damage near me or fire restoration company. Your goal here is to be visible, credible, and trusted when someone is actively looking for help, especially in a widespread disaster. Being visible on Google will help you capture lots of leads. The second is Facebook. This is where local trust is built. Homeowners, property managers, and even adjusters spend time here. And it's a great place to show your process, your people, and your knowledge over time. It's also got the best ad platform to help you target localized business. More on that in a future episode. The third is YouTube. This is the long game. Educational videos live here for years. It's an ideal platform to explain drying, mold prevention, or fire cleanup, and you'll build authority with your customers that compounds. Now, here's the key point. Do not try to master all of these at once. Pick one platform based on your customer avatar. Ask yourself, where are my customers already spending time? Well, that's where you should start. When you focus on one platform, a few good things happen. You stay consistent, you get better faster, and you actually see results instead of feeling overwhelmed. Think of it like your work on a job site. You don't run every piece of equipment at once. You use the right tool at the right time. Marketing works the same way. Go deep on one platform before you go wide. Deep builds trust, deep builds memory, deep builds calls. And now, let's zoom out for a second. In the last 4 episodes, we've covered the practical side of content creation, what to post, how often to post, how content converts, and where to focus your time. In the next set of episodes, we're going to move into a more advanced phase of marketing. We'll talk about how to amplify what's already working, using paid ads, smarter targeting, and better messaging, without wasting money or guessing. Because once your foundation is strong, the next step isn't doing more, it's scaling what already works. Reach out if you have any questions on anything we've covered in our series so far, and I'll see you on the next one.